In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a landscape video into a vertical video using Descript, perfect for social media platforms that prefer portrait format. Start by opening Descript on your computer and loading your video project. If you already have a project open, import your landscape video into the scene. Once the video is placed, you're ready to adjust the format. Click on the video scene so it is selected. Now look toward the scene editor or canvas settings, where you can control how the video is displayed. Find the aspect ratio or video layout option. From there, change the orientation to portrait. You can also select the vertical preset that matches the standard vertical format used on platforms like Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. After switching to vertical view, preview your video. You may notice parts of the video are cropped. Use the positioning and resize tools to adjust the video inside the frame so the most important area stays visible. Take a moment to review the scene and make small adjustments until everything looks balanced and clean in vertical format. That's it. You've successfully converted a landscape video into a vertical video in Descript, and your content is now ready for mobile-focused platforms. Thanks for watching and happy editing.